Paso Doble open choreography. So we start here, body weight on the right leg, left leg ball of the foot, tummy in, chest up. Now we're gonna build up for 8 counts. Through the body, through the arms, through the floor, through the feet, into the body, into the arms. 1 and a 2 and a 3, growing, build up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then hitting position, body weight on the right leg, left foot is inside edge of the toe. Now arms here, crossed. Then here for the girls, do the hips and roll your arms in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now here, use your body, use your knees to send your arms up on 5. 5. This is your accent. 6, 7, 8. Now you're gonna put arm here on my shoulder, then go in, out, and 1. Then from here, going down, 2, going up, 3, 4, and very unexpected, another one, and 5. Going down, 6, 7, 8. Crosses. 1, 2, pushing your body forward. 1, 2, cross. Side. 3, keep your hips here. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Fast. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And give me your arms here. Collect your feet first, then go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we'll go 5. Slowly keep arms together. 6, 7, and gradually build up through the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Release and immediately into separation. 2, 3, up, 4. Let's go a little bit here so you can see. 4, 4, arm up, and now from the left leg, do a hip twist. 5, 6, 7, 8. For here, sit on like a grand circle with your body. Go out, in, point your foot in front, and walk around me like this. Walk, walk, walk. One more walk, closing. 5, close. 5, heels down. Great. Heels down. 5. And now build up here like reverse ripple. 6, 7, 8, and appel. And now from outside leg, yeah, from your right leg, right, stay in my hand. I mean, go walk. 2, 3, 4. And now from here, let's do it in the camera so you can see. So here, yeah, just keep this elbow high. Right, close your feet, darling. Yeah, build up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Go 2, 3, 4. Now here, your body gonna breathe forward to me, and then out. Out as you point, go walk, walk, walk. Out, in, walk, walk. Now going hip twist across, right, pivot, sitting position, boom. Yeah, open your leg more, wider. Right, sitting position, sitting, bend 2 legs. Yes. And now here, what will be the character for Paso is that your chest is out, then the chest goes in, sending the hips forward. Right, very good. You can use a little bit skirt here, hold your skirt, right. Then I spin, spin, spin. You're going side lunge. Boom. Go side lunge. Boom. There. Right. Side lunge. And I spin to you. I'm like taking you from this side, and you're gonna hug me. Boom. Hug me with the hands. And this will be a highlight.